fuck that? Tanya, look. Look at that. Move.
He's over here somewhere.
Get him, Deanna. You talking about you want the broom?
Where is that?
Up under the bed.
Now, the president actually took no questions
Up under the
from
bed.
and he says, as of right now, it is not clear whether if just one individual
He not up under that bed.
He's over here.
or if an actual terrorist group is behind it.
You want to take that video when you see
Jessica
it.
showed you the candlelight vigil that was
Okay.
I told you to just.
My dad told me to go take the pictures, and you said to me, he like, go take the pictures off the game.
Why'd you open the door?
Cause he's talking about something. As soon as I opened the door, it flew in.
from the Arlington Street Church.
He like, take the pictures.
This is about to be his house for a minute.
To what they hope will be a brighter,
Oh, I see him.
peaceful
You see him?
Yeah, well, I see.
So you hitting it, you gotta lead it this way. You don't abuse animals. Go. All right, lead it. Push the door. Push the door this way. Push the door this way. Go. Push it.
Hit him. Hit him. Hit him with the broom and knock him down.
Knock him down. Move. Move. Is he out? Did he come out?
Hit him. Hit him.
Ah! He's in the house. No, he out here.
Come on, baby. Probably.
Open the door. This shit gonna be the funniest video. This is gonna be the funniest video ever. Deanna.
What?
What the hell? Why did you let him out here?
Shut up.
This shit is gonna be the funniest. Go. Let it go. He's not back there. Get him. Get him.
Go, Tanya.
Go. Go, Deanna. Get him. Lead him towards the door. Lead him towards the door. Lead him towards the door.
Come on.
Did you hear? Hold on. Get him. Get him. Get him. Get him. Get him. Close the door. Close this door. Holy shit. This is the funniest video of a lifetime. What do you gotta say? Deanna the pigeon catcher?
Shut up, I'm tired.
Wow, this is
Get
a
off work, I
funny,
gotta
this is
catch
a funny video. I had this on World Star, Facebook. This shit's hilarious.